My people, when Davido say he choke them, this is what he means. You don't choke them. How on a day today now? I hope so on a day jollificate they go. The government of the Zoological Republic wants Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are even offering anyone who can provide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a sum of 100 million naira. They can provide 100 million naira to someone who can provide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they cannot feed their hungry citizens. And people are dying on a daily basis. Can you imagine that kind of a country? Hey, Ubobo Jam. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's silence has been giving them heart attack. Hey, when you are the nightmare of the Zoological Republic, this is what you get. You don't choke them, so they won't give anybody who go provide them. Now, see anybody, any of you, whether now all of you, when want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dead, una go on his behalf. That guy be watching eke. Una go die, so that guy go still they live. Nothing there. Una no na last when many. Una no go see him because he is trying to save souls. This guy has done nothing wrong other than trying to liberate his people. So whatever plans you have against him shall be upon you and your families. So this is the latest now. They want to provide. They want to dash. This is dash. They have 100 million to dash out, and they cannot provide the basic amenities for their citizens. Can you imagine this kind of a country? They want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out on say the life when they do, if they give them life, if they make them, that's why you see people watching, that's why you see people tuning in to hear what he's saying. If they give them hope, if they give them idea of his next move. But this one we don't dey silence. Hey, don't they? If they give them sleepless nights. This one don't choke, pata. When the video be say he choke. The thing wey me never come until today. Now today I no say he choke really. Make I let una watch. Make I let una listen to this one. Wait till they talk abracadabra. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Turn on your notification bell so you will get notified when we upload new videos. Don't forget to share this video. Share this video. Share this video. You watching me, I know you. Yes, you. Share this video. Okay. Say they drive people crazy when they don't know what you are up to. Hey, nothing gives them sleepless nights. Nothing gives them headache. Like say they don't know your way. They don't know which way you want. Hey, people be that. So I want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to continue to deprive them that oxygen. May they no breathe. This thing when they say who they breathe, may not be them they breathe. Make you Nnamdi Kanu, Mr. Kanu, wherever you dey, make you continue to deprive them that oxygen where they sick. No give it to them. Make we see how it go turn out be now. Make us see how it go be. When on a day basis they prescribe Ipob, una no use in a head. Ipob no be terrorist group. No, Ipob no be terrorist group. Hey, you where they watch me like that. Hey, you where they listen like that. Have you shared this video? Have you? I don't know what you they do. Waiting be your own. Waiting be your contribution for this struggle. Make you share this video, Jare. Share this video.
We are declaring Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Ipob and ECN, wanted for the killings, destructions of property of northerners residing on and undertaking their lawful businesses in the southeastern part of Nigeria. We of the Northern Consensus Movement, NCM, an amalgamation of more than 75 organizations of northern extraction, have taken it upon ourselves as active and responsible citizens of this country, Nigeria, to state in clear, unequivocal terms and without any form of ambiguity that 1. We believe Nigeria is a democratic nation under a democratically elected government. 2, we call on all countries of the world to respect our sovereignty as a nation. 3, that Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Ipob, is the man and brain behind the killings and destructions of properties belonging to innocent northerners residing in southeastern Nigeria, carrying out their legitimate businesses using his proscribed terrorist organization, Ipob/ECN. You are all aware that Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail while facing traceable charges against the Nigerian state. Northern Consensus Movement, in collaboration with these organizations, are hereby declaring Nnamdi Kanu, the spiritual leader of Ipob and ECN, wanted for crimes against humanity and for instigating the killings of innocent northerners residing in southeastern Nigeria via his hate speech. We call on both the US government, that is the United States government, the British government, as the champions of democracy, the US government, the German government, and the British government as champions of democracy, rule of law, and freedom of speech and expression, to kindly and humbly respect Nigerian sovereignty, facilitate repatriation of Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria so that he can face his terrorism and genocide charges against innocent citizens of Nigeria. Northern Consensus Movement, in collaboration with this organization, has placed a bounty. We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira. We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira as an offer to anyone who can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive, hale and hearty. Please take note. Whoever can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive, hale and hearty, uninjured, to us for onward delivery to security agencies for his continuous prosecution.